Good evening, my name's Stephen Crampton. I'm the founder of ORDITAL and we're changing asset data capture. Tonight I'm going to tell you why that's important, what it is and how we're making a difference in it. Whether we're talking about a coffee machine or a large industrial facility, companies operate physical assets to perform a function for their business. If any of those assets don't fulfill that function, it can have a really significant impact on their business. To deal with this, companies implement asset management. Now, some companies treat asset management as a tool to squeeze cost out of their business. But increasingly, companies see it as an opportunity to generate more reliable facilities. Now, companies that see it as an opportunity generally end up with higher revenues through higher equipment availability, lower operating costs, but also a reliable facility is actually a safer facility, and safety is critical to everybody. The starting point on this journey is to know what you have and to know that with precision. So I'm not just saying, oh, I know I've got a pump. I need to know I've got a pump, that it's an SPX 320U2, and that lets me understand what spare parts I need to carry for that and what maintenance procedures I need to implement to get the optimum performance out of that equipment. The data that I need to capture to do this is physically attached to the asset. So the process that companies employ today has experienced engineers going out and physically collecting that data. It's slow, horrendously error-prone, and it's very expensive. So we're changing that dynamic completely. With our app, you can take photos of the equipment to completely describe the asset through photos rather than text. And then we extract the data from those photos. So no longer do we need an experienced engineer, we just need somebody to take photos, which means it's faster, it's more accurate, it's a lot less expensive, and because we're in and out quicker, it's once again a lot safer. Our business is global. Today, more than 80% of our revenue comes from outside of Australia. We're dealing in a global market with literally hundreds of millions of assets across a wide range of industries. And we have a global partnership with Emerson, which allows us to execute projects literally anywhere in the world. The Caltex Spark program has been a great opportunity for us to engage really deeply with Caltex. Caltex, through all of its various businesses, operates a vast network of assets that they need to manage. We've had really good engagement with the terminals business, asset accounting, which would be a brand new area for us, but we've had a really deep engagement with the retail facilities management group. I was really pleased to be able to sign a contract with them today, which means it's no longer a theory. We're often collecting data with them. Asset management is truly an opportunity to unlock value for your business. And we help you get there a lot easier and a lot faster by changing the way you collect data on your assets. Asset management covers a broad spectrum, and I've barely touched the surface here today. If you think we can help make a difference in your business, I'd love to speak to you. Thank you for the opportunity. I've enjoyed it.